Hello everyone, welcome to Crafting with Barbara. So today's tutorial is going to be a very quick one. I just wanted to show you guys how I took my little fake lemons that I had got out of my little fake bush. I had got this at Dollar General, I believe last year. And I'm working on making some lemon things for my cake I have coming up I want to make to go in my kitchen. I'm just going to go ahead and stick with my lemon theme that I wanted to from the door. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick what I did. I cut two of them all the way in half. And then I just cut two like halfway. And I have my lightweight spackle right here on the side. And all I'm going to do is, first sorry guys, figure out which one goes with which. I kind of like separated them once I laid them here to show you guys. Okay, these two go together and these two go together. All right. So I'm just going to take a little bit of lightweight spackle and just squirt a little teeny bit, not much. And see, just stick them together with a little bit of spackle. You can put as much as you want. See? Simple. And then with these, I'm just going to hold it open just a little bit. Sometimes it's best when you just use your fingers. I'm making a mess with my fingers, but it's okay. See? Then just sit it to the side. Don't let it do that though. Mine is that part. All right. Then get the other one. I think I have a hole in my bag somewhere. All right. And then just give it a slowly shut. And there you go. So, like I said, I'm making these because I'm trying to find something as I'm talking to wipe my hands with. Because I definitely forgot to bring something with me. But anyways, so here is the little lemons. Like I said, it's easy. Just something quick I wanted to share with you guys. I'm going to be making a little lemon cake. And I wanted to put these like this. Like the rest I'm going to leave like this. I may still cut one more in half but not put anything in it. I think I'm just going to cut it in half. That way I got like halves to go on the cake. Sorry about my hands, guys. But that's it. I just wanted to show you guys real quick this. And, you know, give you ideas. Or if you guys have any ideas you can share with me on things I can make for my lemon cake. You're more than welcome to comment down below and give me some ideas. I'm just slowly working on things. So I just wanted to make this tutorial real quick and show you guys real quick how cute these lemons look when you cut them. And you know, they can go as some little lemon macaroons. Hey, there you go, little lemon macaroons. I'm gonna clean them up a little bit better once I'm done, but I just wanted to share real quick with you guys how cute that is. So that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.